Turning it around, turning it around. What an enemy prays for evil. God has turned it around. I don't believe the why I sing this song, and I'll still sing it again later. I'm coming here to thank God for what God did for my family. In fact, what God did for my family. The life of my elder brother. So many of us will hear the news, I think on Thursday, the ship that sank, and so many people died. So happened to be, my brother happened to be the overall organ in that place. And he said, that particular night, they removed one ship and they brought another one from Canada. So he signed the listing, and he's supposed to be there because he is the organ in charge of that ship. So he said he was sitting down. Something just said him, Obina, move out. He didn't listen, he did not call his name again. So Obina, just asked you to leave this place. My brother said the moment he just stepped out, to turn back like this, he saw the ship sink. And the white men, they died. Up to now, they're still looking for 5 people. They are calling him in the office, or God, what happened? So many of them, they thought that he's there because definitely he's supposed to be there. They said he didn't know what told him to just move out and go to the hotel. You know what? Even my junior brother also worked there. For him too, he's on leave, I think 2 weeks. I think 2 of them is there. They say mother. I'm not talking about sibling. They say mother. What an enemy meant for evil, God has thrown it around, thrown it around. What an enemy meant for evil. I don't just know what would have been my family now. I don't just know. Even today, even him, he was even shocked. He was like, who am I? That so many people died, and they're still looking for people. I'm standing here to thank God because I know this God has done faith. And I remember, I think last Sunday, I think 2 Sundays before, he came here, but he didn't meet the service. He better meet our guys. I believe that whenever my brother, any of them come here and met that, I know they are going to be blessing. If not for that prayer, I don't just know what would have been our faith today. But I'm standing here to thank God. Not as if I'm happy for those people that lost their life. But I just want to give God the praise. He deserves all. I don't know what to give him. I say make his name and his name alone be glorified in Jesus. Amen.